No, right now at this juncture, no doubt TMC started organizing their party from the base right now. I have seen actually few Instagrams, few Facebook, they are trying to facelift their, make their best in every parts of the Garo Hills. But right now, I have not seen much of the dedicated area actually till then. So I cannot predict about the future. What will be the mindset of the people out there? Because as I've told you, the way during the time of PA Sangma, the way he has organized, because he has been counted as a father of the Garos. But right now the scenario is totally different. So one cannot predict about the TMC. Now the thing is that though NCP is part of the national party, but since I'm still alone out here, but as I've told you, it's the people who will decide. It's not a party who will decide actually. Now people has to look at the real picture, what is happening, what is not happening, what has happened also. So when you look at the the agendas that has already been taken up by the previous government and by the present government, so people are not stupid actually. People are not idiots actually. Okay, people are smart, well educated, equipped. Now we have all those smart phones. Now every nook and corner, people get any kinds of news directly. You need not have to, you cannot fool around every now and then. So it will be the people who will decide. Now if they keep on deciding the same, then you see, who will be sandwiched? Tell me one thing. Whether I'll be sandwiched. NCP is not making any kind of a commotion against anything till then. But it's the people. For example, it's the NGO. And then it's the public. Now, for example, when you look at the teacher association, they are making, every now and then some issues. Yesterday also you have seen some of them, they are, hanging on the street and then, protesting. You have seen lots of NGOs protesting. So, you're wrong to ask that particular questions actually. It will not be the NCP who will be squeezed. It will be the people who will be bulldozed. Simple as that.